What's up everybody, this is Cora once again. Welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be another unboxing video and you already know what I will be unboxing, so without further ado, let's get started. Yes, of course, maliit lang po ito. Ayan. Nakasil pa siya. So you already know where I bought this. It's from one of the leading online shops in the Philippines and I'll be removing the wrapper first. Ayan guys. This is just a short video guys, okay, because this is just gonna be an accessory to the tripod that I have unboxed my latest video. So ayan, naka-bubble wrap pa siya. Ayan. Ilang ikot kaya ng bubble wrap to? Ayan. Balat na balat siya ng bubble wrap guys to secure the item. Ayan. Ito lang siya kaliit. There we go. And this one is the product description and the information of the product and the seller, buyer. So this one is Ulanzi ST-02 smartphone holder. Okay. Kailangan namin to sa aming binili na tripod. Ayan. Yung Benro namin. Benro T-800EX. Kasi ang camera holder niya lang doon guys ay para sa mga DSLR. Ayan. So we will need this one for our smartphone because we only are using smartphone to shoot our video or to shoot for our content. So this is our smartphone holder guys na kailangan namin sa aming tripod. So why we chose this one, it's because it's metal and you can actually really see that this one is gonna be durable, and so our Benro tripod is also durable, so this is gonna match. So meron po siya ditong lagayan ng aming external microphone, so we are waiting for that to arrive so that I can make a review. Ayan, dito nilalagay siya yung aming external microphone. Ito yung adjustan ng ating smartphone holder guys. Ayan. Just loosen and tighten, that's the rule. Ayan. And then there you go. So I will try to use my smartphone and then our tripod. So I'm just gonna have to get it first. There you go. Tripod itself is heavy, and then this one, the smartphone holder, is heavy as well. So let me see. So naalala niyo yung last na review ko about this tripod, naaalis kasi to, ayan, para sa ating smartphone holder. So again, I'm just gonna have to remove it. Ayan, naaalis siya. Tapos itong kanyang screw, dito natin siya ipapasok ngayon. Ayan. So, meron ditong, dito natin siya ilalock. Itong parang screw siya. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang lock, guys. So, pag tight na siya, ayan, hindi na siya nalalaglag. Okay? Ayan. So, after that, we'll have to put this back to the tripod. Ayan. Yun. And then, lock. Ayan, nakalock na siya. So, ready na siya, guys. Ayan. Dito natin ilalagay ang ating smartphone. So, let me try to get my smartphone first. And let me see if this will do. Ayan. So, ayan lang guys. Ta-tighten lang din natin siya ulit. Ayan. Maganda kasi dito, pwede siya sa lahat ng types of smartphones. If your smartphone has a for example, casing na may mga styles or makapal, yan, pwede siya dito kasi meron siyang parang allowance dito sa kanyang likod. Yan. If you're already sure that it's already tight, yan, so we can already use our tripod using my smartphone. So, ayan na siya guys. Diba? Kita ba ako dyan? Okay, so pwede na. So, hindi nyo akalain na ang tripod na to ay pwede sa smartphone. Pwedeng gamitan ng smartphone gamit ang ating smartphone holder. Yun lang ang kailangan natin, guys. So, pwede na akong mag-picture at pwede na rin akong mag-video. Ayan. Pero hindi pwedeng ganito, guys, kasi mabigat siya. So, nakakangalay. Ayan. So far, so good. Ayan. Sobrang ready na kami. Ayan. Sobrang ready na kami sa aming next vlog. Ayan. Gamit ang aming tripod at saka ang aming isang smartphone. Ayan. So, yun lang, guys. So, if you want to or if you're curious how much we bought this, kasi binili lang naman namin to online for 370 pesos plus shipping fee. So, this is ano lang, guys, local lang po ito namin siya nabili, kaya mabilis lang yung shipping. So, syempre, medyo malaki yung difference niya sa mga normal na smartphone holder in the market. Kasi we chose this one na nabasa kasi namin na it's made of metal. Ayan. So, masisiguro natin na talagang durable siya, matibay. Ayan. So, kapag ginamit na natin siya sa ating tripod, magma-match sila kasi pareha sila na matitibay, di ba? Gusto natin yung matitibay, guys. So, mag-i-invest na lang din tayo ng ating gamit. Doon na tayo sa okay lang na medyo pricey, pero sulit naman kasi high quality naman siya. So, once again, sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng aking review and unboxing ng aming matibay na tripod na Benro T800EX, ilalagay ko ang link sa description sa baba para po makita nyo kung paano ko siya ni-review at kinumpare sa aming lumang tripod. So, yun lang. So, that's it for today, guys. This is just a short video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and tick that notification bell. Do not forget our Facebook page, that is Unboxing and Everything, and our Twitter account, that is Unboxing E. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye! Love ya!